Hello all, welcome back to Plan Travel Explore. Today we are with the detailed video of Nilgiri mountain toy train. Hey guys, now we have come to experience the toy train of Ooty. Now we are in Coonoor station. The reason I booked from here is the actual view and tunnels, bridges, everything will be on the Coonoor to Mettupalayam stretch. So I haven't booked it from the Ooty. So I came here in car. There is a parking available. No need to worry about that. There is a lot of parking, you can see. It's a paid parking. 60 rupees for 4-wheelers. So yeah, I booked a online ticket. 3:15 I have a train. Come, let's enjoy. So now we are inside the railway station. This is our toy train, and I booked in second class as the seat was not available in first class. Okay, you have to experience this toy train once in your life. This will be the best thing to do. This looks very different from the normal train. You have entry to each seat cabin. It's kind of cabin. 2 seats, you have single cabin, and you have a entry gate or entry door, I can say. Our steam engine is coming now. So it will be attached to the toy train. This is our steam engine. You can have a look at it. Yeah. So our engine for today is Beta Queen. Beta Queen. This is the cabin for the pilot. He is our pilot today, it seems. See, the steam engine is attaching to the toy train. On work, they are attaching to the toy train. Seems like all done. The steam engine is attached to the toy train. Now we all set to go for the journey. Let's go to our seat, guys. Yeah, let's go to D2. All the way to D2 and here. Yeah, this is our seat. Okay, we got one window seat and one normal seat. Let me try to show you the train if possible. So yeah, this is the toy train. Say hi, Sudiksha. Yeah, we are gonna experience this journey in some time. See, we got the green signals from the guards from the back. We started, guys. Yeah, our steam engine toy train is moving. Woo! This is not diesel, guys. This is steam. Seems like there is an issue. Yeah, we got the red flag and again the green. Yeah, all good. There was somebody getting out of the door, so we got the red flag. Now the doors are closed, all set to go. Yay! Bye bye Coonoor. See, you can see lot of toy train coaches. Actually, till here from Ooty to Coonoor, you will get the normal, diesel engine. But from Coonoor to Mettupalayam and vice versa, Mettupalayam to Coonoor, this toy train runs in the steam engine. At the shed, you can see many toy trains. This toy train will not move like any other diesel engine or electric engine trains so fast. It is comparatively very slow. It is a kind of experience, and this valley, there's so much great view, right? It is a different experience. One can also see the road just below us, which again goes to Mettupalayam. They are entering the country. Through a bridge. Now our train going through an estate. Again one more tunnel in the route. We will get to see more than 15 plus such tunnels in the route. Our journey continues like this through the lush greenery, wonderful mountains, and so many wonderful views around. Total journey from Coonoor to Mettupalayam in this toy train is around 27 kilometers, and this takes more than 2 hours. On the way, we also get to see this kind of streams here and there. As we are traveling in the steam engine, you can see every 2 stations while going down or every station while coming up, they will fill the water to the steaming compartment. Filling water at Hillgrove station. of each bolt and nut. Stop. Just to make sure the safety of travel. And here they are greasing now. Greasing the part. Greasing the movable part.
As we are in the evening ride, you can see the fog covering and also the sun is ready to set. If you observe closely on the top of the train, now the train is passing below a huge rock and you can see there is very narrow gap between the rock and train.
Now we have reached almost down the guage. It's a level track now. You can see lot of communities and sports clubs. Once it came down, and also the train is moving fast now compared to that hill range. It was traveling around 200 meters per minute, but now it's moving very fast. Yes, Mettupalayam is finally here. Finally, we reached Mettupalayam after 2 hours 35 minutes of our toy train journey. Yeah, this is time to say bye-bye to our Vettarani steam engine toy train. Bye-bye. I hope you like this video. If so, please encourage us by subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching Plan Travel Explore.